seen those faces, I've heard all the lies.
Hello everybody. Guess where we are at today? We've been looking at this place several times on the map, and it's really close to home. Maybe 15-20 minutes. What do you say? 20 minutes.
Depends the traffic.
Yeah, it depends on the traffic, of course. But it's a pretty unique place. I've never been here before. We have known about it for several years, but we haven't really acted on it. Where we are today, I know that Philly, Brian,
we saw this place on their videos.
Yeah, we saw it on their videos, and it looked really interesting. So I said, why don't we get up there this afternoon?
Yeah.
Just to look around, walk around a little bit. As you can hear in the background, there's a lot of construction going on right now, and they have a lot of interesting architecture here, and we're going to show some of it for you. So come on, let's go. All right, guys. Guess, guys, where we're at. We are in Bamban Tarlac at the Goshen Resort. They're doing some construction, so you have to excuse the noise on the microphone. But this is where we're at, Goshen Resort. And on the premises here, they have apparently like a grocery store, convenience store, souvenirs, pizza, bread, and little souvenirs. But if you look around, the construction here is very, very interesting, and to me,
This looks like you're in Europe.
looks like you're in Europe. Yeah, I was just gonna say, it almost looks like they are trying to mimicking some of the Greek architecture, and you can see some of it up this way. This is just a wall. I think up around here we have the pool area, and it's pretty interesting. How the way they made the stairs here and all that is, yeah. Let's go over here and see what they got here. Cafe Roma. Cafe Roma. So is there oh yeah. Looks like there's a cafe up there, and they're doing a lot of construction here too. So they're putting up some more stuff, and it's pretty interesting how they do it. They're building in the palm trees in there, inside the construction. Some of this is new. This looks like almost like an amphitheater, Greek style. We're going to go up there and take a look at it. That looks pretty interesting on the other side there too. So we can go up there and take a look at it. Yeah, they got quite a few places here where you can.
Yeah.
Where you can.
That was looks like a castle.
I don't know what they call them in Greek, but atrium, like a big open theaters. Stone on the throne. Be a king or a queen. All right. Let's get up here. All right, so we're coming up here, and watch, guys. Look at the views we're getting here. Look at the views you're getting. It is absolutely awesome. You know, that's one thing with the Philippines. It is green, 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 green. So look at this.
Wow, it's so nice.
Look at the view. It's awesome. Yeah, so Sorry, I'm shooting right in the sun, but we'll see if we can maintain the image. And over on this side here, you still see the mountain ranches, and Mount Pinatubo is back here somewhere. And they are expanding this place, that's for sure. There's a lot of construction going on. Not quite sure what they are doing and what they're building, but construction is going on, and that's for sure. So all right, it looks like this pool down here has been closed for a while. Renovation is going on, but we're gonna go down there in a minute. Here we got the honey. She's trying to take some pictures. But it's, like I said, the architecture is very interesting. And over here, from over here, I got a different view over some of the areas up there. So it looks pretty good. Santa Claus has ended up in here too. Okay, so there's one part of the resort down here on this side also, I guess. There's another pool down in this area. Filio Adelphos building is what they're building here. I don't know what that is, and what is Goshen Resort Hotel Bamban Tarlac. I don't. So they're building a what's called a Filio Adelphos building. I think that is from the Greek history also.
Yeah, Filio.
Yeah. And
Adelphos.
yeah. And then there's a resort area down that way too. All right, let's go down, hon. Even on this side, the views are beautiful. Even on this side, we got some awesome views. Beautiful. All right. I'm gonna take video.
Oh, Shell is taking me a picture. Taking me a picture.
Pretty cool view from here. And this is on the outside. All right. Let me just do this. Yeah, it's really cool actually. So you got these little Greek soldiers here. You have some up here as well around. They really made it pretty cool here. Yeah, so Goshen Resort is kind of also called a glimpse of Rome in Tarlac. I would say that probably comes from the architecture. Everything has like a Roman style, and it's really interesting actually. Anyway, this resort is located in Bamban
Tarlac, and it was really originally developed as a resort for some Christian events.
Ah, look at that. That's a running water. Up. Yeah. That's a running water.
And this resort was actually made pretty famous through social media, and it was open to the public in 2017.
Yeah, I've seen people up there, walking up there. Yeah, let's see if we can get up there and see what's going on. So down here, that building over there is the restaurant area, I think. But they really got pretty cool stuff here. So we're coming up right in the smack center of the Coliseum. There's another picture place, huh? It's pretty cool. Right, so down there they have public restrooms, and this area is part of the hotel rooms, and I think it looks pretty cool actually.
And the main highlight of the site is the Coliseum. Excuse me. And I think it was named Dambana Niyahave, or which can be translated to Shrine of Yahweh.
Let's go up here.
And it kind of resembles the larger Colosseum in Rome. And Goshen also offers other amenities, and we're going to go down there, like the pools with Roman columns, and there is chalets or villas that can be rented for those who wants to stay, and they also have a TV for rent, I believe. The entrance, if you wish to come here, is 150 pesos for an entrance fee, and you get to stay there and walk around and enjoy the amenities and chill out in the cafe or whatever. I believe the 150 does not give you access to the pool, but I believe a fee of 300 a day or so will give you that access.
Yeah, there's a fish down there. I don't think we can see him.
Yeah, I think it's over there. That one. Oh my god. Like where
Let's go down to the pool area and check it out. The pool area. Down here. The resort. Yeah. Let's go down this way. That's what I was told. The owners bought the land in I said, that's what I was told, honey. The owners bought this land in 2005, and they only opened 3 years ago. So they haven't been open very long.
Where's the poolside?
Resort area. The workers needs to get by here. All right, so I think this will take us down to the resort area. It's a little hard to walk downstairs when I don't have a rail to hold on to. Support my hold my wife's.
Sparta. Sparta.
No. Right. Right. Yeah, they don't allow much of alcohol in here, so I think this area back down here is under renovation. And
Sparta.
Spartan. Yeah, they have this resort area down here. This is the pool reception. They're going to have a Christmas festival here. This pool area looks pretty cool to me. So you can have these little cabanas or private areas. You rent them for a day for the family, a day or half day or whatever. And that gives you access, I guess, to the pool and other things. We'll try to find out a little bit more about it. So it's pretty cool how it is there. Yeah. But right now they have actually 4. And then they have one on the other side too. Hello, how are you? Yeah, I have music here, so. So yeah, you can rent upstairs here too, get a little more privacy. And I think up here too, that's like private things. Yeah.
So on this other side also is something.
Yeah. So this is a pool area down here too, but I don't think they have it up and running right now.
Hungry guys.
Okay, so wife says she's hungry, so let's just go and see what they got for food in the restaurant. All right, so this is a little tour around the Goshen Resort. Small little eateries and cafes. There's a couple, 3 of those around here. And my wife is hungry. I said to eat here. She said she wants to eat somewhere else. So then we go in. All right. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, they built up an entire city here. with their own streets and infrastructure and everything. Bet you they spent a few dollars here. Alright.
Alright guys, that's a little wrap for this video at Goshen. We'll probably come back, spend some time here, and give you some more information. For now, thank you for watching, and God bless.